I love when I'm proven right. I love being right. I love when people tell me I'm right.
And then also, this is what I love about animal tracks and sign. I feel like I get to be a detective in the woods, and that I get to wander around and see the clues that animals leave behind, and then make my best guess as to who was there and what they were doing.
And in this case, it was a red-breasted sapsucker doing what it does, which is making holes in the tree to get sap and little insects that live underneath there, so
it can fill its little belly full of nom-noms and yummies.
And yummy nom-noms. That's what it's doing.